Today we will discuss about the most common error in SwiftUI project. Most of the developers are facing this type of error. So let's start and let's try to fix this. Firstly, we will create a demo project. If you want to print this number here, then you will get the error. The error is buildExpression is unavailable. This expression does not conform to view. What does this mean? This error occurs because the print statement is not a SwiftUI view. Why does this happen? In SwiftUI, the body property must return a single view or a group of views wrapped inside a container like hstack, vstack, jetstack, etc. Print returns void, which is not a view. So how to fix it? If you need to debug by printing any number or text, do not place print statement inside body. Instead this print inside the onAppear modifier. Like this. And print here. This will print a number. You can see. Thank you.